Kigomano-ini kia mwaka uyu gia kwagirithia urimi kia AGRIFIN nikuo thirikari na honge itari cia githirikari inyitanire hari kumatha nja ya uria magetha ma urimi mangiibaibio makiria kuhitukira kuhura njeki arimi anini. Wagi wa magetha ma kuigana ni ugwetetwo gukorwo uri thina munene kuri AKENYA, migunda ya ingi ya arimi ikigia na ukunderu munene, undu uria wigite bururi hatikaini ya ng'aragu na miaka yukite. Kuna namba nene ya arimi ni arimi anini iria rugamire gicunjĩ kia 60 harĩ 100 ritana nĩ rutĩtwo rĩa gutigirira arimi aya ni manyitirirwo na ari mongerere muigana wa magetha maria monaga migunda-ini yao iria kaingĩ itakoragwo na warie munene.
Even as we are looking at small scale producers as a unit, as a big unit that we are looking at, interested in, we also have a special focus on women small scale producers and women smallholder farmers in terms of just looking at where they are.
And we see that with the urgency that is required for us to ensure that the small scale producers are able to continue to be productive in a global climate where there is challenges on climate and weather changes.
Kurigana na Cieke Gatabaki kuma gikundi kia Masecops kwa ihinda iraya murimi munini akoretwo atirikitwo thengia umithio munene uria ungiumana nake.
We identify innovations and innovators that have the capacity to support small scale producers in various activities and challenges they face.
Not less than 10% of the global population is currently under extreme poverty, and then out of which 2/3 are in Africa, which is equivalent to 1/3 of the African population, over 400 million people.
Uthiri wa njira cia kiriu hari kwagirithia urimi magetha na kumatha thoko ugataririo ta undu wa bata wa gukinyaniria umithio migunda-ini.
Accelerate innovations. We look at how those innovations can get better adoption by the small scale producers. What are the trusted channels? What are the ways in which the innovation can be best marketed?
We are saying that women are actually a little behind the men because, first of all, they don't have access to the phones. In Africa, for example, the GSMA recent report tells us that women are 23% less in terms of ownership, and so when you compare to women, there are 23% less women who have access to digital devices.
Kuna wagi wa ngombo koretwo ari thina munene hari arimi anini, kigomano kia umuthi kia matha nja ya uria arimi aya magiamukagira ngombo hatari guthingatithia rekondi ciao cia bengi na ithinyene riu magathingatithagio muigana wa magetha mao.
The same parameters that banks use for other sectors cannot really be used for the agricultural sector. The risks are higher. There are issues to do with climate change, which is making it a bit more difficult in terms of predicting yields, in terms of predicting incomes.
Hadini ya Kameme TV, leto rako ni Bataro wa Mwagi.